Now, you know how I like to share free learning resources with you? Well, 365 Data Science, the online learning platform for, well, data science, is giving free unlimited access to its entire site, that's all of its content, for 2 weeks until November the 20th, and I thought you might like to know about it. Now, this video is sponsored by 365 Data Science, and I don't usually do dedicated videos, but I'm an instructor for 365 Data Science. I have been for about 3 years. My Python course is on there, and so obviously I like the platform. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to tell you about it so that you can see what you think, and if you're interested, then you have 2 weeks to try it out and see what you think. How does that sound? Is this thing working? Yes, I think it's working. Let me show you what you get. First an overview, and then we'll dig a little deeper. 286 hours of instruction, 21 projects where you get to apply the knowledge and skills that you learn in the lessons, 107 practice exams, not just an opportunity to assess what you know and what you don't know, but really valuable learning resources in themselves. And they lead to 67 course exams. More about those later. Let's take a closer look at the site. Are you ready to become an advanced Excel user? To learn probability and the mathematics of data science, SQL, data visualization, Python, R. Every tool that a data scientist needs is here. Right, I want to show you some of the highlights of the platform. This is the courses library page. You saw that earlier in the video, and it's got these different modules. So module 1, data science fundamentals. We had a brief look at that earlier in the video. This is a nice module. It's will teach you, it's a very comprehensive module for programming. So you learn SQL, and there's this marvelous course here on Python programming. I definitely recommend that one. R, and various things that you can do with Python. So I like the fact that it has a specialization on pre-processing with NumPy, because NumPy in itself is something that can take a long time to learn. I'm working with text files, and it has, if you're working with data, you will spend a lot of time working with text files and dates and times. So this is a nice sort of core module that will really help you if you want to become a data scientist. And then module 3 is all about machine learning and the various algorithms that you need to know to do machine learning. And module 4 delves into some more advanced specializations. There are also career tracks. So on this page here, you can do the data scientist career track, and you will, oh look, there he is again. You will automatically then be enrolled into these particular courses. And it's the same with the data analyst career track too. One of the difficulties for people new to the field is to practice with projects. There are 21 projects here, and they are separated into, these are the beginner ones, and then there are intermediate ones and advanced ones. Customer segmentation in marketing with Python is just the sort of project that you might actually do if you get a data science job. So this is a great part of the platform, as is this part. So here we have practice exams, and you can see there are a lot of practice exams here, and different topics have their own exams. So Introduction to Data and Data Science here has 3 practice exams, and you can see the rest. And then there are these course exams. And what I like about these is the career track exams then are comprised of the course exams. So if you do the right number of course exams, then you qualify to do a final exam, which will mean you can take a career track exam, and then you can get a career track certificate too. This is a nice part of the platform too. You can set up a learning path. So let's say you want to learn a particular skill. Should we go for Python? Let's do that. And if we allow it to do that, it'll ask how much you want to do each day and what you want to commit to. So let's say 30 minutes. And what it'll do then is choose the courses for you and give you a timeline of when you should complete them. So it automatically populates that, and you can do it with any of the topics that are on the platform. So there you are. That's the platform. Absolutely free until November the 20th. Go and take a look. There's a link in the description. Of course there is.